Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color theme, and we want to do this because we right now have the title displayed on the action bar and also in a text box. So we want to display it only in the text box, and that's why we want to change the color theme, and so we want to get rid of the action bar. And as you can see right now, we are here in app and then in resources inside the values folder and in styles.xml, which you can already find in this tab over here. Okay, so we basically want to change this theme that has, as you can see right here, this dark action bar feature. Just gonna zoom out a bit so you can see it. Okay, so we want to change this one, and so in order to change it, we're just gonna go and select it, and then we're gonna type no action bar. And as you can see, there are three themes that have no action bar, and we're going to be using this day-night dot no action bar. And so that's all you have to do in order to change the color theme. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.